What's up homies, welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link to the Discord is in the description below and up on the screen. That's where you can leave your request. And also if this video helps you out, there's a button on the bottom that says the thank you button, and that's where you can leave a tip. Today we are going to learn how to play Hold You parentheses tonight, so I'm guessing Hold You tonight. I never understood why people put like another word in parentheses. They just add it to the name. I don't know. Anyways, Hold You Tonight by FIA. So grab your ukuleles and let's go jam. Okay guys, for this one we got 4 chords. We're going to play F sharp. We're going to bar this first fret right here, cover the top string on the 3rd fret, and cover the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. We're going to play C sharp. We're going to come up here to the 4th fret. We're going to cover the bottom 2 strings here. We're going to cover the 3rd string on the 5th fret and the top string on the 6th fret. Okay, we're going to play G sharp minor, which is we're going to take this chord, we're going to bring it down to the 2nd fret. We're going to bring our pinky and we're going to cover the 2nd string on the 4th fret. And then we're going to play B. We're going to release it all. Okay? Alright, let's go over the structure for this one. So we're going to begin with an intro. We got verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, and then the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Shit. My bad, wrong chord. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if this video helps you out, you can leave a tip with the thank you button below. Also in the description is the Discord link and merch link. And yeah, see you guys next week. Okay then.